Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca Harris and I am going over our core leadership values worksheet that we were assigned. I did the top part where we had to pick 10 of the values that are important to us as a leader, and I narrowed it down to 5 of the ones that are the most important, or at least to me they are. I have knowledge, curiosity, cooperation, communication, and effectiveness, to which I will go into all of those. Knowledge as a leader is essential for the entire group. The leader needs to know what they're doing. They need to know their assignment, and they also need to know their team's respective strengths and weaknesses. Without knowledge of the assignment, the group simply cannot flourish and they cannot complete the assignment to the best of their ability. The second core value that I chose was curiosity. A leader needs to be curious. If they are curious about a certain topic or the assignment at hand, that will in turn spark the curiosity of the followers of the group. Curiosity inspires questions, and those questions can be used to enhance the entire assignment. My next one is cooperation. Cooperation is essential for leaders and followers. If the team cannot work together, then the assignment cannot be completed as intended. If one member refuses to work with another member, the group simply will not work, and then the group will turn into fighting and disagreements, and it will not flourish as it should as a group. A leader needs to be able to inspire cooperation among each of the group members to ensure that everyone is working together to the best of their ability. The next value that I chose was communication. Communication needs to be established among all members of the group, whether they're a follower or a leader, a note taker, whomever it may be. Everyone needs to be in constant communication. Luckily, we do live in a time where you can choose your method of communication. We can email, we can talk on the phone, we can text, we can even use social media if we have to. DMs or Snapchatting through the chat box or whatever it may be. We have so many methods of communication that ignoring this is completely ineffective as a leader. A leader needs to establish communication among everyone, so that way everyone knows their roles and everyone knows when due dates are and how to complete the project to the best of their ability. And finally, to wrap up all of these values, I chose effectiveness. The team needs to be effective. Without being effective, there's no point in even having a group to begin with. If they cannot reach the goal that was given by their leader, whoever was assigned, there's no point in even being a team. The team has to be effective. They have to complete their assignment in order to be successful. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you all have a good day.